Hi friends, today we're going to solve an equation with a rational number in it. Remember, a rational number is any number like a fraction or a decimal. It's any number that can be expressed as a ratio between two numbers. So here I have 0.3x. Now you know that 0.3 is 3/10, right? So, I mean, another way to write this might have been 3/10 x, but we're going to deal with it in decimal form right now. This is 3/10 0.3x, and 0.3x equals 6. Now, 0.3 is no different from any other number that we've worked with before. We've been working with whole numbers, now we're dealing with a decimal, but it's still being multiplied by the variable. And so if the variable is being multiplied by 0.3, to undo multiply by anything, I need to divide by the same thing. So I'm going to say it's being multiplied by 0.3, I'm going to divide by 0.3. Now, when I do something to one side, as you know, you have to do it to the other. Divide by 0.3 on this side. Now, these will go away because any number divided by itself equals 1. So this just goes away and all I'm left with is x. Now, my equal sign comes down and I've got 6 divided by 0.3. Now, I don't want to do a big lesson on how to do long division with decimals right now, but what I would like to do is show you a little trick. That if you've got 6 divided by 0.3, that what you can do is take this decimal place and realize that if my ratios will stay the same if I multiply everything by 10. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to multiply everything by 10, and I'm going to do it by moving the decimal place over one place in each of these numbers. And so I end up with 60 divided by 3. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite that here. That's 60 divided by 3. And so now 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. You get this here, you get this here, and you're done. So my answer is 20. So x is going to equal 20. Now, as you know, at this point in the year, if you wanted to use a calculator to answer what is 6 divided by 0.3, that would be an acceptable answer as well. Now, we could verify this in a bunch of different ways, but you have figured out that you can just do the same thing you've been doing before with whole numbers. You're just doing it with rational numbers now, in this case, a decimal. Have a great day.